Welcome to Uli Means Home. Today we're going to be making African egg rolls. So African egg rolls aren't what you actually think they'll be. It's not like your Chinese egg rolls. It's even more delicious. It's literally like a whole egg wrapped around dough and you fry it, and anything you fry tastes delicious. So let's get started. So to make the African egg rolls, obviously we need to know the ingredients, right? So come a little closer, let me show you. So I put 4 cups of flour, then 4 tablespoons of sugar. We have baking powder right here, 2 tablespoons. Well, actually about 3 because I like mine to have a little bit of body, you know? Then this is a half teaspoon of salt, and this right here is 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. I also like to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon just for that extra flavor. And then, so those are our wet ingredients. We have the dry ingredients, butter, 4 tablespoons of butter, and then 2 eggs. And we're also gonna need water. So those are our ingredients. So let's start to mix everything together. So we have to start by adding all our dry ingredients. So as we said, this is flour, baking powder, salt, nutmeg. Put it all in here. Then we add our sugar as well. Then we're gonna mix everything together. I like to mix with my hands. You don't have to, but that's part of why I also love baking, is because it's just, you're just all up in there, you know? And then sprinkle just a little bit of cinnamon just for that extra flavor. Mix. Now we're gonna add the butter inside, and we're going to just weave it in, mix it in until it starts to become a bit crumbly. So it doesn't start off crumbly, but if you look a bit closer, you see it's already starting to become a bit crumbly. So we're gonna mix it until it becomes like coarse crumbs, if that makes sense. So mix it. Okay, cameraman, do you have any questions?
So far, so good.
So the lovely voice behind the camera is my boo. Hey babe, say hi.
Hello, everybody.
He's camera shy, so you can't see him yet, but maybe he'll appear in one of the videos.
Okay, what are we doing now?
Come in, you see. If you notice, it's become sort of like crumbly. Okay, so I think it's all mixed in pretty well. So next, we're going to beat our eggs and then add it inside. Okay, so if you notice, it's still dry, but it looks like a bit coarse, like coarse crumbs. So mix everything until you know that all the flour and stuff like at the bottom has been like well integrated with the butter. And next, we're gonna add, this is about 8 to 9 tablespoons of water. You're gonna put the water just a little bit at a time. So you don't have to put everything all at once. Just put everything a little bit at a time. And then start to just like mix. And you notice, you know, your hands are gonna get a little bit sticky. But that's part of the fun. Okay. And you know, when you're baking and cooking, like things don't have to be perfect. So You just try your best to integrate everything and just know that things don't have to be perfect.
How do you know when you're done mixing at this point?
Oh, so it should kind of come into like a ball. More or less like a ball. Okay.
How much strength does it take to mix?
You know, us women, we are strong, okay? Like, a lot of the things that we do in this kitchen requires strength. Look at my arms. All that muscle.
Strong woman.
So, it does require, you know, a bit of effort. But not too much effort. And this is like a fun activity you can do with your kids or your cousins, nieces, whoever. Especially, you know, we're all kind of stuck at home during this time, so something to do. Okay, so you see it's kind of like in a ball. It's not perfect, but the next step is we're gonna cover this and put it inside the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. And while we're letting our dough kind of rest and, you know, get it all together, we are going to boil our eggs, and then the actual fun part. So the eggs, we're in cold water for about a minute or two. The eggs are peeled, and we brought out the dough from the fridge. Here's how the dough looks like. It's a bit firmer than when we last left it. Before we get to putting the dough around the eggs, we're gonna heat up the hot oil. Fill it to about a third or so of like a big pot, because we want it to have enough room. And we'll turn it on to about like in between medium and high heat. We don't want the oil to get too hot, because once you start frying it, the outside is going to cook faster than the inside. So medium heat is best to allow the dough to cook. So let's get our dough. And we're going to knead it for just a few more times. Yeah. It's feeling like a lot less sticky. It's feeling really, really nice. Okay, bring the dough out. Put some flour on the surface, just to allow for a smoother, like, so it's not so sticky. Okay, this is good. What we're trying to do now is get enough dough to wrap it around the egg. And we want to wrap it and fry it at the same time, because if you try to wrap everything all at once, it won't be as good. It starts to separate after you fried it. So we're gonna wrap it one at a time, then fry it, wrap it like that. And look at how I'm wrapping the egg and the dough. So wrap it so it covers it, because as you're frying it, you want to make sure everything is sealed so the egg doesn't pop out as you're frying.
Is there any recommendation? Do you have any recommendation for how big the dough should be?
So it should just be enough to cover the egg. It shouldn't be too much. So look, we have more or less a circle. And to test how hot our oil is, I just took a little piece of dough, and then I'm gonna drop it inside the oil. Come a little closer and see. You see how it's kind of bubbling a little bit, and it's gonna eventually slowly make its way up. Great, so I think our oil is hot enough for what we're looking for. Get our egg bowl and slowly lower it inside the pot. You see it's starting to bubble around it. You can let it sit for a little bit, but during the course of it cooking, you want to sort of move it around. Turn it so that all the sides are evenly cooked.
So normally, how long does it take to fry?
Take to fry?
Yeah.
Maybe about 10 minutes or so. Like we'll see. Like it's about 10 minutes. But how you can actually tell is with the color. So if you look now, the color is like, you know, a pale-ish doughy color. But over the course of it cooking, it's gonna get golden brown. And when it turns that color, it's, you know, okay to remove it from the heat.
So it's cooked when it's golden brown.
Yes, it's cooked. It's cooked when it's golden brown. This is the finished product. I can hardly even wait to show you guys. I need to take a couple bites. It really is that good. You can eat it as a snack, an appetizer, dessert, whenever you want, wherever you want, however you want. It's great for everything. You can drink it or eat it with water, with juice. So let me know if you've tried it. Let me know if you've liked it. Put a comment down below. Like the video, subscribe if you learned something today, and let me know what other videos you want us to create. We have a lot of great content coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
Bye.